So I'm quite new to all this wood cooking, well, cooking in general really, but I've got a friend coming around this weekend and we're planning on using this to make some steaks, so I thought I'd give it a test run. Now, I'm not really a very good cook. My wife does all the cooking in the house, but she's away at the moment, so I thought what better opportunity to cook a big juicy steak. So we're just waiting for it to heat up, and then we're going to make steak and asparagus. So the oven wasn't getting quite hot enough, so got a hairdryer which should fire things up a little bit. So this is the steak I got. It is ribeye, and it was £28 a kilogram, and it's just over half a kilogram. So it should be a decent sized steak. So there it is. I've let it rest for a little while. It's got a nice thick cut. It's got some lovely marbling in it, which should give it some nice flavour. So I'm looking forward to getting that on. Okay, the fire's gone out. There's lots of nice hot embers. It's smoking a bit, but I'm going to just stick it in and see how we go. It's going to be more smoked than cooked, which it still tastes nice. It looks like it's cooking well. If I use this infrared thermometer, underneath it is about 470, 450. The top of the steak itself is 550. So it should, that fat should taste delicious. So I've kept having to hit it with a hairdryer a little bit just to get the coals to glow. I think my problem is that I didn't light quite enough of a bigger fire to start off with, so I think next time I won't be quite stingy on the wood. So it's been in for about 5 or 6 minutes. I like it raw if possible, so we'll see how, give it another minute maybe and then see how it looks. So it's looking quite good. Let's have a test cut and see if we're about there yet. Oh yeah, that looks perfect. Probably a bit overdone. And I forgot to put salt and pepper on it before, so I'll cover it in salt, let it rest for a minute and do the asparagus. So I've set the steak aside to rest. I've got no idea how to do this, but I presume if I just stick them in, oh, the grill's collapsed. If I just stick them in and leave them for 5 minutes, they should be okay. So the asparagus took about another 7 or 8 minutes. So I plated it up, it looked delicious. I've had a little taste, it was really nice. So, let's see what it's like. Well, it's absolutely delicious. Probably a bit too well done for my liking. I'd have liked it a bit more pink. And I should have put more salt on before, well, I should have put some salt on before I even put it in the wood oven. But this was just a test run for when my friend comes over. Probably should have started a bit earlier because the sun's just going in as well. But from what I've eaten so far, that is absolutely delicious. So I'm going to make plenty more on there. I think that's a win. One of the nicest steaks I've had. The flavour was amazing. It had like a nice smoky flavour to it, but where the fat had got really hot and caramelised, it was just, oh, it was delicious. So if you've got a pizza oven or a wood oven, I would highly recommend that you try making steak in it. I probably didn't do it exactly right, but it was delicious anyway, so why not give it a go? Alright, till next time, bye!